Which of the following expressions is equivalent to sine of 24 degrees times the cosine of 66 degrees plus cosine of 24 degrees plus the sine of 66 degrees? So something we can note about these angles here is that these are complementary. That 24 degrees is complementary to 66 degrees because when you add them together, you get 90 degrees. So if we were to visualize that on a triangle, a right triangle, 90 degrees here, if one of the angles is 24 degrees, so this angle here is 24 degrees, then we know, because in a right triangle, these two angles here add up to 90 degrees, since this one here is 90, that the other angle must be its complement, so 66 degrees. So in a right triangle, when you take the sine of, say, 24 degrees, 24 degrees, that's going to be equal to the cosine of the complementary angle, in this case, which is 66 degrees, because sine is opposite over adjacent, so it'll be x over hypotenuse. So sine of 24 is just equal to x over the hypotenuse. And cosine of 66 is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, so this will be also x over hypotenuse. So the sine and cosines of complementary angles are equal. So in this expression here, we see that we have the sine of 24 multiplied with the cosine of 66. And since 66 and 24 are complementary, that means the sine of 24 is just equal to, so if we simplify the expression, so sine of 24 is equal to the cosine of 66. So this we can rewrite as the cosine of 66 degrees multiplied with the cosine of 66 degrees, which is just equal to cosine of 66 degrees squared. And then over here we have a similar case where the cosine of 24 degrees is going to be equal to the sine of 66 degrees. So that means that sine of 66 we can rewrite as cosine of 24. So when this becomes cosine of 24 degrees, this is just cosine 24 degrees squared. So, and if now that we've gotten this simplified form, if we look at the answer choices, we see that answer choice C is equivalent to this.